Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,702, the high mast of the flagship. Price acceptance. Here signals the fleet is ready to reclaim the northern territories. Value area, low, VAL, 6,658, the waterline of our hull. A breach here suggests we are taking on water and heading for the locker. Point of control, POC, 6693. The captain's quarters where the most tactical maneuvers were discussed during today's skirmish. Support zone, 6,640 to 6,658. A shallow reef where the bearish galleons struggle to maneuver. Buyers are anchored here in force. Resistance zone, 6,702 to 6,712, a line of enemy fortifications. Scaling these walls requires a massive broadside of buying volume. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower, 6,630 to 6,640. Uncharted and dangerous depths. Falling through here invites a voyage into the abyss. Upper, 6,712 to 6,718. A narrow strait. Navigating through this gap allows the fleet to reach the open waters of yesterday's range. Market context. Today's chart looks like a battered fleet attempting to find safe harbor. Price has been tossed between 6,640 and 6,712 with significant volatility. While the flagship is lower than previous days, the massive surge in CVD suggests the crew is furiously pumping water out and preparing for a counteroffensive. We are currently navigating a choppy lagoon, seeking to stabilize before the next tide. 3-day march through the high seas. Day 3, March 11th. POC, 6,777. High, 6,823. Low, 6,715. The fleet was sailing high with favorable winds in the northern latitudes. Day 2, March 12th. POC, 6,718. High, 6,761. Low, 6,672. A sudden broadside from the bears forced a retreat to the southern straits. Day 1, March 13th. POC, 6693. High, 6,712. Low, 6,640. The flagship is currently taking on water, but the crew is fighting back with every cannon. Value has been drifting south for 3 sessions, but today's defense, at the 6,640 level, suggests the anchor has finally caught. Acceptance above 6,702 would signal a change in command, while failure to hold 6,658 invites the sharks. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume, delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open. CVD negative 1,195 contracts. The morning fog began with a slight bearish chill. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD climbed to 19,647. A massive volley of cannon fire from the bullish frigates. Current CVD, 17,693 net plus 18,888 from open, meaning the crew successfully repelled the boarding party and took control of the deck. Intraday low. CVD low. Negative 9,307. A moment where it looked like the ship might actually sink. Interpretation. The aggressive buy-side delta is extremely high relative to price action. This divergence suggests that sellers are being absorbed by a very determined defense at the lower reefs. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,658 to 6,665. Stop loss below the day low at 6,640, or use average true range ATR approximately 9 points below entry. Profit target: initial target at POC 6,693, major target at VAH 6,702. Short trades: entry zone on rejection of VAH 6,702 to 6,712, or decisive breakdown through VAL. Stop loss above the single print ceiling at approximately 6,715, or ATR above entry. Profit target: POC for first partial, then VAL 6,658. Position sizing: use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after the first target is reached. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A: acceptance above VAH. The fleet catches a tailwind and breaks through the 6,702 mast. Setup: enter long above 6,702 with stop at 6,693. POC: target 6,718, plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B: rejection at VAH. The enemy shore batteries at 6,702 are too strong and push us back. Setup: short on first failure off 6,702. Stop above 6,712. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C: failure at VAL. The hull finally gives way at the 6,658 waterline. Setup: shorter break below 6,658. Stop above 6,667, recent swing high. Target 6,640 in the single print area below. Scenario D: value bounce. The anchor holds at 6,658 and the crew launches a counterattack. Setup: long at 6,658. Stop at 6,649. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.